Correct. Original owner, Cabela's.
Ryan's going to do the same thing.
Yeah, I'll just meet you back.
And then I'll meet you at Driftwood.
I got one in his back.
Oh, really?
If you want to go to the beginning, I can go that way for a minute.
Ew, step in it.
Deeper on that. The block.
How long did you go?
I always like the RT strike.
Yeah, I like the RT strike. I like the Chargers.
Same color. I got 16. We thought, well, we didn't hear from you, and then I was like, well, let's take a walk down this way, but we can turn around and come back your way.
Next to that is oh, and he's 6 over 50 years ago. That car or aggravation is here. It is the car. Mr. Gasket, Max Wedge, 13.5 to 1 compression limit. They're all here. They're going to be firing up these cars at 12 noon. I'm going to take the cars away, but we do need to talk to you. I just talked to you folks in Canada, so please come on up so we can get this taken care of. Thank you. The High and Mighty was fired up, got a beautiful sound, and this is a recreation recreation of exactly the way the car was, including some original components on the car. Kind of neat. You take a look at the tuned exhaust that you see there, the megaphones. Those are tuned and do have a beautiful sound. That's the way they were on the.
Did you go to the bathroom?
Yeah, exactly.
There's your color. There's your holes.
Started to tell you that there was some spill.
Oh, this is a fast
Sorry.
She's doing, she's just pounding it. Oops.
Got a skull.
Pretty cool deal here. He's got the whole normal. Yeah, Mark did a picture. Enjoy. You too. Take care.
Doesn't look like anything special.
This is just Scott.
Yeah, basically I can say.
I wonder if it's his name. You guys have a really nice information.
Yep. Nasty. That's why it's oh.
He wrote on his card original.
Just as you come into the grand entrance to the marina, you see down on the left, about halfway, this is the Brubaker trailer. This is a sportsman, Barbara showing a regular. Linda Vaughn and McCartney Hansen. She's down. Both the ladies are down at the GM display. That's about. I think you can take a few minutes to look at the way. That's all special here today. So thanks very much. We appreciate that. Good to see you. Lots going on. All the pizza cars right in front of us here. We can find out about this awesome vehicle. Which one are we going to talk to? Let's get your name. Over here with our friends, and let's get you. Just another friendly reminder, Ed Navy will be halfway down on the left, and we are Don't forget pick up your ballots, well, make your choice. You need to have those back in by 2 p.m. this afternoon at my headquarters here. Michelle, you can also location and drop your